Hello again. And yes, I'm here in my kitchen again. As you can see, this big baby here. That you guys never see the end there, right? Yeah, it goes from the floor to the ceiling. But I'm here for another reason. Not only 3D like last video, that was boring as heck. I noticed that when I was editing, I said, why did I make this video? Oh boy. But I just want you guys to hang there with me because I was very excited about 3D printing, blah blah blah. Today is partially 3D print, 3D printing, okay? It's not that it's gonna be 100% 3D printing. We have a printer running here, and I need to take this opportunity to see if everything goes right, because here in my kitchen is pretty dark. This glass here is dark as heck. I can't see on bare eyes. I need to use my camera, bump a little bit the ISO so I can see that is printing fine. And as you can see here, 92% is been printing for 5 hours and 40 minutes. We still have 26 minutes to go, but it's there doing. Okay, so before I used this stuff here that has alcohol inside, this alcohol here, okay, to wash the Baby Yoda. But then I bought this that is going to help me to clean from the plate there. And I'm going to put this and a lot of more alcohol like this inside another machine that I bought. And I'm gonna test. And you guys are gonna see if it works or not with me. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be really, really sad, because I had to pay $249 for that machine. Okay? And I had to buy that one because yesterday I bought another 3D printer. The one that I have here is a small size resin 3D printer. I bought a mid-size resin 3D printer that is capable of printing bigger figures or objects that you put there to print. So I had to buy something that was capable of wash and cure until mid-size printing. So, but I'll get back to you by the time that it is finished, because we still have close to half hour. I'm not gonna be filming here for half hour, you know. So by the time that it is finished and I prepare the other machine, I get my camera and film again for you. Okay? I thought that it would be bigger, but it is not. Very well. So I was showing here, right? Let me put this to drain all the resin from the model. I needed to change some stuff, and then I'm gonna bring my other machine, fill it up with alcohol, and I'll explain how it works, or I will try, because I never used before, so first time again. Okay, be back soon. I had to step back a little bit because this is the other machine. It's big. See? Is a washer and cure machine. Of course, size plus, because I already explained why. So let me fill up this. Let me see if I can remove this with one hand. No, I'm not gonna try, because if this acrylic breaks, I'm so screw up. Don't know if my plan gone the way I wanted. The reason why I dropped from... Okay, I needed to do something, okay? I sliced this in a different setup that was for my Baby Yoda before. Baby Yoda had a layer size of 0.05 millimeters. For this one, I put 0.03, because in 0.05 for this size would be three hours, pretty close to 4 hours, 3 hours and 54 minutes, I think. And then I put 0.02. It went for like 10 hours and something. It was around 11 a.m. So I said, no, it's gonna be too long. It's gonna take too much time for that. So I came to 0.03 and took 9 hours, something like that. 8 hours. 8 hours and something. Very well. I'm gonna change the camera and I'm gonna show to you. I really don't know if I got those extra details that I thought that I was getting. Especially because the size is too small, my god. I thought that I wouldn't have space enough if I try to make it a little bigger. So I made a little smaller, right? This is a drop of resin. Yep, here it goes. But I definitely could scale this a little bigger, especially because I'm gonna start painting, so I'm not so sure that I'm gonna be able to paint such small things. This thing has like pretty close to 5 centimeters. Pretty much the size of Baby Yoda. It definitely should be bigger, definitely. But let's try. So basically, now what I have to do here is this. I'm gonna show this inside. You see that we have a spinner down there. This is connected via magnets. See? So, we put it there. We fill up with water. I'm gonna put the miniature here, because I have another plate, but not for my for this printer, because you see, oh crap, I almost broke. So see, this is too big, so you can put it here. For my other printer, for sure, I put the plate directly here, but that's not gonna be the case today. So I put alcohol here, and then where do I start it? Oh, here. Yes. You select wash. Okay. I think that I'm gonna wash for like... Oh, they go in increments of 2 minutes? uh, any cube. So 4 minutes, right? 6 minutes, just to play safe. And what I'm gonna do is grab this alcohol bottle that I have here. That probably is not gonna be enough for anything. Yeah, one bottle is not enough. Luckily I bought a box of these. So what I'm gonna do is grab the box, fill up, and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm back. See, we have alcohol, 5.5 liters of alcohol here. I already removed the print from the plate, and with this alcohol that I put here, and I took opportunity to wash a little bit, so it's practically washed. I still need to be very quick here because I need to put this resin there. I need to filter to put it back there. So what I'm gonna do is this. Close. One thing that this printer is not that good is on the back there. It seems that it closes really well. Not on the back. Okay, and I'm not showing anything again. So you see, it seems that it seals really good. Very well. How do I start that? I was forgetting that I have to put this on, otherwise it's not gonna work. 6 minutes. I think that I have to press this button. Huh. It's quiet. Can you guys hear? Ooh, it's powerful. I just hope that it doesn't break my miniature inside there. And if I'm not wrong, I really don't remember, so I don't want to say anything stupid to you guys. Every time that we have 2 minutes completed, the machine stops for a while and reverse the side. And yes, I have a lot of noise here because in California today is wind as heck. Of course that is 6 minutes. I'm not gonna keep this filming for 6 minutes. I'm just hope that what I just told you is not wrong. That it changes side every 2 minutes. Let's see. I don't think that I needed to make it for 6 minutes. See, is it slowing down? Can you guys hear? It's slowing down, so now it's gonna spin to the other side. And I believe that that's the reason why this machine goes from 2 and 2 minutes. Yep, it's spinning to the right now. Yep, see? Very well. So while I wait this to finish, I needed to filter that resin and put it back there. and I have to do it fast because this is toxic. Okay, that's why I have everything open here to this kitchen be very well ventilated. Okay, here I am again, but now I'm gonna put cure. I can, oh, this goes from 1 in 1 minute. I'm gonna put like 10 minutes. That's the cure. And this time I started to remove the support, but you see this small piece here is the edge of the spear. I broke it, so I stop it. I'm gonna cure for 10 minutes. I'm gonna double check to see how it's doing. This is so cool because you can put it down, so you cure from the top as well, but it's too small. I'm printing this because I'm practicing. I hope to start practicing how to paint, but my eyes are not that good anymore, you know. I'm not 20 years old any longer, and this is too small. One thing that I could see is that because I reduced it from 0.05 to 0.03 millimeters, my God, the printing is almost perfect, and is really detailed. My God, it's awesome. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let it cure, and in 8 minutes I'm gonna double check to be sure that it's cured. If it is not, I'm gonna put another 10 minutes just to play safe. Is my first time, right? It's my first time. So, and then I'll get back to you by the time that I'm removing the supports, okay? 10 minutes is pretty hard now. Yeah, I shouldn't try to cut the support before putting to cure. But my God, the level of detail is amazing. I was expecting a considerable improvement, but this one surprised me. And this machine is really good because 10 minutes it cured perfectly. Now what I have to do is put everything together here, assemble this machine again. All the material, and you guys saw, right, that I had to get this part under because the light reflected there and cure from under as well. The plate here, the bucket with the alcohol is there. It's not gonna be a big deal. Yeah, it's perfect. And this I can put it back in place. Awesome! I'm gonna take this to my table and I'm gonna try to remove now the support. And just a tip, guys, you want to remove support of small miniatures that you just printed, cure first, then you cut out. It's safer. You are not gonna do this mistake here. Pardon my French here again, but I screwed up. I broke the wing. I had broken this, and now I broke the wing. The glues that I have here for plastic, it glued on my fingers, but it didn't glue there. I think that they don't like resin. Another lesson that I learned was this: too much support. You see? Too many fillets. And I don't know when it's cured is really hard. See? I have to apply some force here. If I have just a little bit like this, easy. But like here, you don't break at all. So, yep. This was a fail. But I'm gonna be honest with you. It was too small. Even if I didn't have break the tip of the spear and the wing here, it was too small. One good thing is that the level of details, I don't know if you guys can see, is amazing. Right? It is amazing. No mistake, no lines, printing lines, no nothing. 0.03 millimeters for a layer is really good. And I have a Elegoo Mars Pro. It's not even the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. It's the first generation. But I'm gonna need to go back to my software. I'm gonna make bigger. I know that I can increase at least 30%. Hopefully to be bigger than that, because like I said, I'm printing this to start practicing painting, and it's going to be too small for me to paint anyways, right? And I'm gonna increase as maximum that I can to printing this Mars Pro, and not adding too many supports. The amount that I added here is too much. I was afraid that if I didn't put support enough, I could fail the printing. But now I didn't fail the print, but I failed to remove the print from the supports. One thing that I noticed is resin is too brittle, so anything that you do, break. And I have here liquid cement and Super Gold Plus that works perfect for model kit. It doesn't do a thing for resin. Let's go back to the software, slice this again, but I'm not gonna print today. It is already 7:40, so I'm just setting up this for tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna print again. That's for sure. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.